Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Clark Star Culinary, where today we'll be producing UK French fries, also known as chips. Let's get started. To produce this UK style of chip, we're going to start with 6 yellow potatoes, 6 yellow spuds. And we're going to chop those, and we're going to move forward with boiling them. You want to make your slices rather thick. And don't worry, we're going to come back and cut these down to size just a tad. And through the miracle of time, we have all of our spuds properly halved, and we will move forward to adding them to the pot. And we'll begin to add our spuds into the water. It is very important to have your water almost up to a rolling boil, as the spuds will stay in no longer than about 5 to 6 minutes. We want to have them about al dente, and the reason behind this, we want to take some of the starch out of the potatoes. And we're going to add some oil to the pan. Now we're going to add a couple of spuds to the hot oil for a par cook. We're going to cook this for just a little bit, and we're going to take it out and we're going to do a double fry. Chips. UK chips. Be careful that you do not overcook these. This is on your second fry. And you want to let them rest for just a little while, and then add a little bit of seasoning whilst they are hot. And that's how we do that.
And now we're going to make a Parmesan spice blend for the chips.
I'm going to start with about a half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 cup of freshly grated Parmesan, and 1 tablespoon of parsley. And now let's just mix these spices and cheese and parsley together. Make sure that's mixed really well.
Okay, it's time for us to sprinkle the topping all over the crispy chips.
Let's taste. That's a lovely fry. I hope that you all enjoyed this recipe. Thank you all so much for joining us here at Clark Star Culinary. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.